This video is for anyone who is ever tried to save or screenshot a view once photo or video on WhatsApp, but here is the part nobody tells you. View once doesn't actually mean impossible to save. Most people try screen recording, random apps, or risky tricks, and that's exactly why they fail. In this video, I will show you methods that still work in 2026 on iPhones and Android phones. What doesn't work anymore, how to do this without getting caught, exposed, or getting any alert. If this is your first time here, I'm Erasmus. Let's get straight into it. WhatsApp introduced view once message to give people privacy. If you open this message, it disappears. You can't screenshot it, you can't forward it. WhatsApp tells you it's gone forever. But here is the truth. WhatsApp doesn't control your phone, but it controls what it is in the app. Now, the method I have here is for only Android users. But don't worry, if you're an iPhone user, just stick around. It can help you later on. So first thing first, let's go to our phone. Go ahead and open the Play Store. And in the search bar, type Virtual Master Android Clone. Once you see the app, go ahead and install it. Now, one thing I need to clarify here. This app is a built-in app, meaning it creates a second phone inside your phone. So think of it like having another Android device running inside your main device. This part is very important. When the app is done downloading, open it. At the top, you will see Create VM. Click on it. Next, select Android devices. You will see a lot of available versions here, but I personally recommend you choose Android version 7.1.2. Once it's done downloading, click next. Now here, you'll be asked to select your screen resolution. I'm going with this default resolution, which is 720. So just leave it as default and click next. After that, you will see name VM, which means Virtual Master. As you can see it automatically names it based on the Android version we selected, which is Android 7.1.2. You can rename it if you want, or you can leave it. And just like that, the setup is complete, but we are not done yet. Now, from the preview you see right there, you will notice Start VM, that is Virtual Master. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, you will see installing file system. It usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes, so just be patient and let it finish setting up. Alright, so as you can see now, our built-in phone is ready. If you scroll up, you will notice there are a lot of phone apps available here, but our main focus in this video is to save view once messages. So let's get into that. You might see an ad pop up, just close it. Now, go ahead and import WhatsApp. Once WhatsApp is done installing, open it. WhatsApp is now installed on our second phone. From here, follow the same procedure you normally use to set up a WhatsApp account. Now listen carefully. This part is important. For iPhone users or Apple users, this is where it becomes your advantage. If your WhatsApp account is on your iPhone, you can link it as a companion device to this second phone. Simply scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your iPhone. For Android users, you can either link your existing account or create a new one. For this tutorial, I'm creating a new account. So I'll select my country, Ghana, enter my phone number and continue. Follow the same steps you usually follow when creating a WhatsApp account. Set up your verification code and then give your WhatsApp account a name. As you can see, my profile details were automatically filled because the account already existed before. I deleted it just to properly show you this tutorial. Now, as you can see, the account is created. Right here, I've received a view once video. I'm opening it to show you exactly how this works. Once the video loads, you can screen record it, just like I'm doing right now. And once you are done, that is it. You have saved it. If the view once message is an image, you can simply take a screenshot instead. Important warning for iPhone users: when you see this view once photo or video, do not open. Rather use this companion device, which is the Virtual Master phone. That is the only method you can use. If you notice, throughout this video, the entire tutorial was screen recorded, meaning everything was possible from the beginning. And that's exactly how you can save a view once message using this method. And there you have it. You and I have truly shown that we can make the impossible possible by saving a view once message through the Virtual Master phone. If you find this method helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment under the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm Erasmus. See you in my next video. Bye.
Camera. Yeah. Good morning to my haters, just a greet ya. This world is tricky with no competition. They are lane and they my zone, bro. Why they envy, man, brethren? I fit to kill for a better life. If they be and they be, just try to listen. Changing your religion, no go make you get your vision, ambition. RIP haters, that's my intention. Consign, yo, fuck all your ratings.